Hello students, I am Dr. Komal Rathore, Assistant Professor, Kamal Bhatia, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So today's session we will talk about Down syndrome. What is Down syndrome? Down syndrome is a occurring chromosomal arrangement that has always been a part of the human condition, being universally present across racial, gender, or socioeconomic line, and affecting approximately 1 in 800 births, although there is considerable variations worldwide. Down syndrome usually causes various degree of intellectual and physical disability and associated medical issues. Down syndrome or Down syndrome, also known as trisomy 21, is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of all or part of third copy of chromosome 21. That means trisomy. Down syndrome is the most common chromosome abnormality in infant or human being. Down syndrome, also called trisomy 21, is a condition in which extra genetic material causes delay in the way of child development, both mentally and physically. It is affected about 1 in every 800 babies born in US. The physical features and medical problems associated with Down syndrome can vary widely from child to child. While some kids with DS need a lots of medical attentions, others lead healthy lives. It is typically associated with the delay in cognitive ability called mental retardation and physically growth and particular set of facial characteristics. Cognition is a group of mental processes that include attention, memory, producing and understanding languages, learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. This is a picture of Down syndrome baby. The average IQ of young adults with Down syndrome is around 50, whereas young adults without the condition typically have an IQ of 100. IQ, intelligence, uh, intelligence quotient or IQ. It is a score derived from one of several standardized tests designed to assess intelligence. The abbreviation IQ comes from the term intelligence quotients originally coined by psychologist William Sterney. It's very important. What is the meaning of IQ? Intelligence quotients. Now, Down syndrome was identified as a chromosomal 21 trisomy by Dr. Jerome Lejeune in 1959. Down syndrome can be identified in a baby at the birth or before birth by prenatal screening. Pregnancy with this diagnosis are often terminated. Many children with Down syndromes are educated in regular school classes while others require specialized educational facilities. Some children graduate from high school, and in the US, there are increasing opportunity for participating in post-secondary education. Education and proper care has been shown to improve quality of life significantly. Many adults with Down syndromes are able to work at paid employment in the community, while others requires a most sheltered work environment. Signs and symptoms of Down syndromes are characterized by neotenizations of the brain and body. The neoteny, the physiology, physiological development or of organism is slower or delayed. Neoteny that call. Individuals with Down syndromes may have some or all of the following physical characteristics like microgenia, abnormal small chin, oblique eye fissure on the inner corner of eye, muscle hypertonia means poor muscle tone, a flat nasal bridge, a single armor fold, a protruding tongue due to small oral cavity or a enlarged tongue near the tonsils, microglossia. Face is flat or broad. A short neck. The all are symptoms you have to be remembered in point of view of exams. That is flat nose, microglossia. In this picture, we can see all these symptoms. White spot on the iris is known as Bruchfeld spot. Excessive joint laxity, including atlantoaxial instability. Excessive place between large toe and second toe. Here we are. Large toe and second toe. A single flexion furrow of the fifth finger. A higher number of ulnar loop dermatoglyphs. Short fingers. Growth parameters such as height, weight, and head circumference are smaller in children with DS than with typical individual of the same age. Adult with DS tends to have short statures and bowed legs. Average height of the man is 5 feet 154 centimeter, and women is 4.9 inches, 144 centimeter. Individuals with DS are also at increased risk for obesity as they age. Now, what is trisomy 21? So, trisomy 21 is 47XX plus 21. It is caused by meiotic non-disjunction event. With non-disjunction, a gamete, example a sperm or a egg cell, is produced with an extra copy of chromosome 21. The gamete thus has 24 chromosomes. That's all called trisomy 21. So Down syndrome can't be prevented. It can be detected before the child is born. The health problem that may go along with Down syndrome can be treated, and many resources are available to help kids and their families who are living with this condition. So there is no treatment, and management is in this short form. So I hope you like that session. It is short introduction about Down syndrome. So that's all about this session. Thank you.